I just got the Gen 2 Polaroid Now Plus instant camera, and I am so excited to put this to the test. So let's unbox it and I'll show you all the details. This is one really packaged camera. It came in this exterior box, and then this box came inside this wrapper, and now I'm at the box that actually has everything in it. And when you open that up, you start out with your manual that has this really pretty and easy to read quick start guide. I love this. And then it has all these little boxes. Definitely add this lanyard to your camera. Really nice way to prevent it from falling. You get a USB-C to USB-C cord, and then you get this absolutely adorable case full of all the lenses. The attention to detail with this red zipper is so cool. To start off with, it comes with a lens cover. Then you get the red vignette, which will work something like this. A lovely blue that gives you that very nostalgic look. Same with the yellow. I could definitely see this yellow being used outdoors. Orange, really fun. And finally, you get Starburst. And that definitely adds a lot of interesting depth to your picture. And here is the camera itself. This is taking me back. I totally love this. Now on the bottom, you can actually attach this to a tripod. This is your old school viewer. It doesn't have a digital screen to look at. And then you have two buttons on the back. You can turn on or off the flash, and you can turn on or off the camera. And then on the front, the key button is this big red button right here that takes the pictures. And on the side, it has the button that opens up the tray. So you have to push that and then the tray will pop open. So let's insert my first film pack. And this is what the film pack looks like when it's fully unwrapped. And as it says right here, you just want to insert this side in. So you really do. Just push it in, wait till it snaps, close it up. And it's gonna pop out that initial piece of paper, and then you're ready to go. And you may have seen when that came out that there was a film shield over the top. Do not yank on that. You just want to pull out the photo. I'll be sure to show that on the first photo. So now I've turned it on. If I hit this flash button, the flash is off. If I hit it again, the flash is on, and it says I have 8 photos left. So let's do my first blind selfie. There's that film layer on top, and I just want to pull the photo out underneath. And here's my photo. And now I'm just going to turn it back off. And one more thing to point out on the camera is right here is that USB-C port to charge it. Now to add the filters, most of them you can just pop right on. They pop on very cleanly, very easy to use. But with the red vignette and the Starburst, they actually have an extra small circle, and that needs to line up with this little circle at the base. So just make sure that once you put it on, you twist it until that lines up cleanly. And definitely keep the protective cover on your lens when not in use. Now my image is just starting to show up. One thing to keep in mind is you're not supposed to shake these. You really are supposed to just lay them face down, ideally in a darker space so they can fully develop correctly. And now my photo is fully developed. So fun. Now it comes with an app as well, but my main focus is the analog camera, as this is what I want to take to events out in the world and just enjoy. But I will be testing out the app over the next few days, and I will make a more comprehensive follow-up video that shows everything you can do with the app as well if you want to get really fancy. But if you are looking for that fantastic Polaroid experience, there is good reason why Kodak continues to thrive. It is so much fun to press that button and wait for those pictures to develop and then hold on to them. There's something just so much more sentimental and nostalgic to a Polaroid. I highly recommend the Polaroid Now Plus camera for yourself or to give as an amazing gift. This is awesome.